In the first example, we are given a ship's water plane of length 70 meters, and there are 7 half ordinates given, so that means there will be 6 strips of area. So to find the value of h, which is the width of each strip, we have to divide the total length 70 by the number of area strips, which is 6 in this case. When you do the calculation, get 11.7 meters. So each of these area strips is of width 11.7 meters. The next thing we're going to do is we are also we're going to label the ordinates that are given to us from beginning to the end. So the last one is 0.3 meters. And now we are going to use Simpson's first rule to find the area of this plane. I've divided this section in 3 different parts. The first section on which we can use the Simpson's first rule is the green one. So we use that for the first 3 coordinates, and the Simpson's multipliers would be 1 for 1. Similarly, for blue one will be 1 for 1. The Simpson's multipliers for the last section will again be 1 for 1. Now, if we have to combine all the Simpson's multipliers and find the area, what we'll do is we'll add the ones that are there, so that gives us 1 plus 1 is 2 in each case. The next step would be completing the table. So we create a table with 3 columns. The first one lists the half ordinates, and so that's what we're gonna do. We fill in the values of the half ordinates given to us in the first column. I know I have a few extra lines here. Simpson's multipliers is the second column, so we're gonna fill in those values, and the pattern now is 1 4 2 4 2 4 1. And the third one you find by multiplying the first 2 column values. So 6. So I'm just completing it quickly. So 4.9 times 4 is 19.6. 0.3 times 1 is 0.3. The next step would be adding the third column. That gives us the total of the function areas that we found. Area function, we found, which comes out to be 93.23. So total area of the water plane will be 2 times. And why are we taking 2 times? Is because what we have right here is half of the water plane. So the other half would be, so if I draw it out, would be the other side, which is symmetrical about the midline. So to find the total area, we'll have to double the area of one side. So you get the idea. So 2 times h over 3, which is the Simpson's first rule, h over 3 times summation 1 or sigma 1. That is the sum of area functions. Then we just substitute the values of h and sigma 1 in the formula, so which is 2 times 11.7 over 3 times 93.23 meters. And when we do the calculation, it comes out to be 727.1, if we round it to 727.2 meters squared.